When you're weeding your garden, one thing I want to stress is the need to get as much of the root as you can. A lot of plants, if you don't get their roots all the way down, they will come right back in just a few days. So the best thing to do is to just go along with that little diggy tool and plump up the earth a little bit and go ahead and pull them out by the roots. Now you'll notice I am pulling some of my coreopsis from around this sedum here, and that's just because I don't want it to be right in the sedum and to hide the sedum itself. So you can see the sedum there. That's probably a plant that little offshoot I could plant somewhere else. And some of these shoots, the dead shoots from last year, will just kind of snap right off as you bend them around a little bit. If not, then you get your old snippers out and clip them off. Well, as you can see, I've got a portion of the garden already put out with some mulch. That's about 2 bags of mulch there, and it's already starting to look better. It's not perfect, but it doesn't have to be. It's my garden and I like it. And that's the main thing, is if it's your garden, do what you like in it, put what you like, and just enjoy it yourself, and things will look really nice. One last thing I wanted to point out again was that sedum. I found some more on top of the rock there poking up. So it will just climb wherever it can find some water and some dirt. It will climb up. So everything's looking good, and I'm gonna go have me some lunch. Happy gardening.